This is James with Adventure Pilot, and today I'm going to be showing you how to find MOS weather in iFly. MOS, or Model Output Statistic, is airport specific forecast guidance generated from weather models. It's useful for flight planning because it provides a look at expected winds, visibility, ceilings, and other weather trends over the next several days. Just a reminder that MOS is a planning tool and is not a replacement for official weather briefings. To find MOS weather in iFly, first we are going to select an airport of your choice or on your flight plan. For example, we'll use KTKI. Once you select your airport, you'll go to the WX tab and then the bottom left, WX info. Top of the page, you'll see weather tabs including METAR, TAF, winds, MOS, and pirate. Select MOS to view the forecast guidance for that airport. MOS page gives you a quick look at expected weather trends, including winds, visibilities, and ceilings for the upcoming forecast periods. If you continue to scroll down, you'll also see the MOS for nearby airports. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@iflyefb.com or give us a call at 214 585 0444. Thanks for watching.